And somebody need to hear this. Sister, when you lay your head on his chest, that's not heartburn. Those are the spirits of the other hoes laughing at you. Get up and don't get stuck in this snow at that man's house. Don't do it. They giggling at you. Matter of fact, they kicking. You want to know why his feet twiddle-a-deedling in the air and they just rotating back and forth while he on his stomach? Because the spirit of the hoes is telling him to do it. He one of the girls too. And you laid up with him talk about, oh, I'm going to be stuck in the house with Bae. Girl, them spirits is laughing at you, girl. That is not heartburn. That's why he always, excuse me, his chest always hurting. Because them girls trying to come out. When he starts saying period, Pooh. When he starts saying, I know that's right. See, the spirits of the other bitches is slipping out. And you trying to get stuck. Get serious. I need you to get serious. All right? Okay.